On today's video, we are going to do a very simple but pretty half up hairstyle. So I'm going to start today's style with a center part. You don't have to do a center part. You can do any part you want, but I'm going to do a center part today. And then what we're going to do is we're going to section our hair out where we want our half up style to be. So you might want to do it all the way from your ear, and that's going to give you a more pulled back look, leaving the hair down sort of behind your ears. But if you want to see some hair before your ears, then you want to start your half up style a little bit higher up, closer to your temples. And what that will look like when you go back and keep our fingers on our scalp until they meet at the back of the head to create a nice straight line. And when you start a little higher up, you're gonna get that hair left down above your ear. One is not right or wrong, it's just how you like it to look. Totally personal preference. So now I'm just gonna smooth this out with my brush a little bit because we're gonna go for a smooth look today. But again, you can always take these styles and alter them to how you like them to look. If you want a softer style, if you want to leave your bangs out, some little hairs hanging down around your face, that's really pretty too. So I'm going to show you the rest from the back. You're going to gather your hair into a ponytail and you're going to start making a ponytail, but what you're actually going to do is make like just a simple little bun and just pull it through once like that. And then you're going to take the entire hair tie and slide it further away from your head, making a little bit of space between your scalp and the hair tie, and make a hole. Make sure that you have made sure there is no holes or no hairs crisscrossing over the hole, and then you're going to flip it down to the bottom and up through the hole, and then you're going to do your fluff and pull, and that's it. Super fast, super simple, but looks really cute and interesting and better than just a basic ponytail. Here is the look from the front. Because I do my half up a little higher on my head, you get this cute little bit showing from the front. But if you don't want to see that, just make sure you have it down more towards this part of your head and not so high up on your head, and that will make it so you can't see that part from the front. But again, whatever you like is the way that you should wear your hair. I hope that helps and gives you a fun new style that you can try for the spring for your thin, fine hair, because I know sometimes people feel like they can't do styles with their hair, and that's just not true. There's so many beautiful styles you can do, even if you don't have a ton of hair. And bonus, they're usually really, really fast to get done because you're not having to fight with a bunch of hair. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let me know in the comments how this hairstyle worked out for you, or if there's any other styles you'd like to see, because I'd love to do those for you. See you in the next video. Bye.